I'm a kind of a river rat at heart. Like I got into Whitewater back in 1995. I was a raft guide and a bit of a kayaker, and I just fell in love with whitewater instantly. You know, I'm willing to take a beating, and there's lots of swimming going on in stand-up in the river. So yeah, I love it. I feel good. There's only about 5 or 6 of us girls really doing competitions on the river and stand-up. We're all really close. We compete pretty hard. We charge pretty hard on the river, you know, but once we're back on land, we're all really good friends, and we've become really close in the last couple of years. This sport, for some reason, gives women empowerment. It makes them feel good, like they can do anything, they can take on the world. I don't know why that is, and they look at me and they see that I'm just kind of an everyday girl, and they kind of follow me and see me doing things, and it's inspiring for them. When I'm going down the river, I feel like I'm where I'm supposed to be. I think whitewater's in my blood, and I can't think of anything better.
I see you, I know. Every time I'm gone, every time you leave, every time we come back with you.